Lawyer Kwaba. Chairman Kwaba.
Me just bro.
Me say we are lawyer now, chairman now doctor. Emu de wen.
Yan he bi onaka.
And we say Dr. Kwaba. Dr. Kwaba.
Come on, I say many bi am ni chero. I'm say cheri ti jaba hu siro mi.
Because me who doctor, me who MP, me who lawyer, me who businessman, me who philanthropist. If you put your way I say me cover because I say Ghana is a friend because KTM when I'm say mradi title the friend yagro. Now no call make a buy. Oja mrashebe dwem no or draw speaker attention. Mr. Speaker. Is it Midino Alaji account to be so darma? Is it Alaji honorable?
Alaji great. Yeah, Breum. Brennan Saka. But Nino Nipa. Nipa no so your Sinto.
Yeah.
And send your TBR, send your Bible kind, your Babu Nipa Nipa Babu.
Yeah.
Promise Bakwaka and see a bubu at 10. You were chino. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It is your promise here near Mammy and Son and me and what in your Bermudia.
That's the no.
Bakwakano. Ebebem. And Tienipa Yemuni, Sudi, BBA Yemun. Yes, Kaim who said, yeah. Oh, hot train. Yeah. Now, I think we saw hot train.
But let you so what dress is still.
But you say he doesn't look one
at all.
He doesn't look. So how do you know?
Oh, the power. Look, but
Gaza. Papa say you see ba. Just as small no can remember. Gaza. Across the heart. I attended them strong area.
Eh, you be see. You be call ba see about try ba. You be try come on see call ba see ah. Ya sabe da mu ina ma see try come so ma men ka say chama me ade. No, me book na
no ni abre obi atenu go ahwe bu
enyo obi are bit batwa se la je na bi eze bi ko try ni bi na
ana adwusan
me ye na me hwe me every na ga ba ko fro o ga za bi akaza go ni policies and legal challenges in small scale mining in Ghana that hinders its formalization, stakeholders' perspective. I see. Dr. Kwabena.
And to share the thickness of data. But
that's why people also say that we have all these brains and these write-ups and these theses there, lying there, and then we are not acting on it. That's the challenge. Because by the time I will go through this book, it may be
the final point will be serious recommendations.
Exactly. That's my point. It means that we can solve the problem.
Oh yeah, we can.
Does it have to do with leadership alone, or a lot of
both leadership and then the people?
And you see.
So 3 areas when I always say immediately when it's looked at quickly. Or some of the upper maybe as leadership, maybe media, maybe security, or leadership, maybe say this 3 areas. Right?
No, there's an element in there. I agreed.
Okay.
You agreed
because of the seeker factor. No?
You agreed in the frame. Now we look at it as a business, responsibly so done. This is more media here, more business.
Yeah.
But more responsible media business.
Exactly.
Your munkrop will be so more irresponsible. Very much so.
That's a
good
analysis.
No John DC.
The whole system.
And 3 things. Anna, the social, the economic, and then the political. Unfortunately, the political. You are focusing more on the social and then the economic. The moment media mobile allow the incursion of politics. Now, the year politics and then you focus. At the appropriate time, we talk about this because we need to go back. And if you're free, we have what we call Mercury Law of 1933. Our colonial masters, you know, epese omu ne tu form agudie artisanal mining. The ye papa nom sa abram juju form nom ye nananom no mu eboabo anu no mu. Na wontimi fa bibia anya you saw the mercury. The friend mercury amalgam. Mercury na ade beboabo anu. And kofa you gather. You are gathering and then you sell. Then colonial masters banned the use of mercury. So effectively they banned artisanal mining and small scale mining. Nti omu ban no 56 years. It will be now ye usisa gold or form kakra ye nya na wo ye no esumase. Da bibia wo ye no esumase a oni ani ntimi nye ne ye se ne sefata. Ba saa bre no mu no na mfidia kese ni ho. Ye nsa ne ade ne niam nketenkete ne ade nti na ye hunu sunsanso no bone no papa. Until 1989 under PNDC law 217, 56 years after the mercury law, another mercury law was passed to legalize the use of mercury in this country. And then PNDC law 218 legalized small-scale mining. I didn't put a touch in any money. Yen ye way good, and the way assassins. And I ye ma ne or mount for them. The umbit near yen kuma on a small scale. Yes, sir. Into who bruni abidi so that no won't feed any idea bit me a Cassiano. Would you woot into no abrayan? Yes, sir. Into under PNDC no. A biner or hostage a biner shares. Okay, I didn't know a mabuni edgeman, na good idea. Into yempe quan pebi, and I me near Mahokwan. So PNDC law 218. 217 legalizes the use of mercury and the license. 218 legalize small-scale mining. Enti eho ene ne fapem. Enti ye legalize no na ye be ma small-scale mining na ye adwuma. Eho na we got it wrong. Policies and legal. Niema policies and legal the big system frameworks are. Ebetumi managina. Now people can do responsible small-scale mining. We got it wrong there. But well, you find it sad, you did nearby. You be drew point to be a now a failure. A bino, yaba 1992 constitution, we about democracy. It's your natural resources near the essay, your harness, near your word, Manyaza. One government, to an among call China, said your die, now is a president called China. I hear Ghana, Matisha Jospon group of companies, Umuyang Wadio. Now, China way, Ghana for you good. If we are safe way, you pay investors no mabeboa amnia. So Omo respond. Omo respond. Under that government, there was what we call National Youth Employment Program, NYEP. Now you Rabuga Pele Nadano, 2010. Yet the youth in gold model by just a youth no ya said that nationally and now man kase memoano and ne maya no mabunu nko gold tuomu enya de bone anka ye wo antikwa mo mako gold tuomu no na ho ana ese ka policies ene mra aje etimi gina so yima na de adwuma gina so ne ya kire won no nsan nya nibudie nsoso wo ho ade na wo mokoye no send ye be no send ye be no hunsunsanso then you have responsible mining. Coming back from there no next year from revolution time nebana na mpenifu akuku dam wo mayim ahun yase mabubodi na binum konom ne ade agigi large scale mining lands e wo minerals commission wo mu dinimu ne wo companies di wo ni adin bia so mu be ye mining no ne mum de wo mu ye ya ne se na sase ne da hotam. It is a lawyer na or no opposite or yet small scale mining now okoyi map never ye the minerals commissioner mineral commission if you do be a higher large scale ewo omahine kwabra dim onandia enti lawyer ko omahine wo koje consent note bra enti oba na woni na dia no woni ni dia no na de obeje no no wa man consent enti oba no apply for small scale mining or minerals commissioner. Minerals commission mremu small scale mining 25 acres block of land. And the whole large scale no na ye 25 acres amano. And it's an ensaka no de ba so okuta paper. Oba no ya na ultimate si ha na habeboa na nsuo bi da ho a that eno ne na sase. And bra Chinese, any other nationals, eba se omu beba omu be invest no investment na nkwa yese ye bibi kese bi na ya de we aba na yedo na omu tete nkran ne kumase nkran ne tema ana omu support ye free omu galamsey masters no ono no betumi akogye 25 acres no nti otua no the gold na bre no nkran na tema no China man no so de kopim say nkrofo jeje China fo ni sika in advance na afi gold ne ma no wasan akogye obi foforo no then Chinese man no be frɛ bo ofrɛ na so me o challenges o me machines na so me pese me bana me be hwɛ sɛ de tie na me san ma more money it woman the direction no all konyina no take coordinates.
Wow.
Into obeduro no obehu no machines ne wa de ne wa yi ni nyina no so okay ene so obema obi sika foforo so ma okọ ya no arrange no the nipa bet
go ku de be manage
coordinates. It is a machine also pa auto excavator ne ho ahwan ne mawa no de ne Chinese dia free by no na ba say omra no me operate. And we are also since 2010, 2009, 2008, in fact 1989, to the point to say Badwam Mpenpensenmu na well regulated large scale mining companies na on ho kire wo nti Ashanti Gold esisa won ne ma nyina se baabi aduro no omu ntimi efise won a mabunu na gye won saase ni ade nyina afedi ewuo kra ne ade abe nti otumfo osetutu the second wahene mo atia no pay yetiri nkwanso so ne abodina yede amawo omu ka kire ohene Asantehene se Asantehene ye ko nti man $1 na fa oboase gold mines ni nyina japade e ho bibia just $1 Asantehene se me ye ne se nyi nti ofra mampanina no Ewura John Mahama no de true nanim se asem a abeda manim ni na adwuma ni gu a ebe ha oman ni sikasem ebe ha mabunu adwuma ye ewo Ghana ne Asantehene nti mesere momo sabre na ban no so ono so aye de obetimi bia o kai sabre na senior lawyer Fuseni ona no ye minister for lands and natural
yeah honorable
Inusa said ona sa interministerial adene committee ni start ya na dey fight galamsey on waye de obetimi bia ententam nti ye beba no omuntimi nya ho hwe kopim se nto abomwa 2016 ende na me hobi na mti obi ana ohene otumfo de to na akufo ado anim sabre na oye candidate se osrenara na me dom na watimi aba o how kese of dahoni and indeed me ana me kan se nyame animonyam se omampani nya akokoduro nanso enye ono nko ana ho oden eyeye nyina ayemo a wo agyenkyire we agyenkyire we amoa ene mu media fo no obi biara ane ye boa ya ma dedikan first success the fight against illegal mining and small scale mining. The first success was chalked and achieved at Obuasi. Enti ema Obuasi Ashanti Gold afi omunya ahotoso ne akokoduru timi san ba back. Enti na ye da ho wosa ye.
Okay, so doc, you remember book no so we didn't go. This is a very good insight because your submissions are not political. It's for us to see the way forward. But then a key to me because I want Ghana to understand the NDC. Once there's a lawyer representing the interest of the NDC, two things. Lawyer shortage hits legal aid, and the tail end quite a bit discussing. Lawyer shortage hits legal aid. And the tail end. On the moment education, the consequence of such shortages. Because we are counting down to maybe at the tail end with my side at Kakraba, but we are counting down to elections. It's so
about 87 days, right?
It's so crucial.
Yeah.
And the biggest opposition party continues to have challenges with some of the things that the supervising body, the Electoral Commission, To the extent that one Jia to Muse.
Okay, so one more as in NDC.
Ajia to say, Yenkuro Maku doing Siano Yinano. NDC Chita for Yinano. Brain Swa, a 17th na. Nye Basa Basaso, and Yan Tokaso. One uncle to electoral commission. Na Nkomobi Omuno Mudi about voters register 177. Omuni say Emuyen na kakra. These are all the processes leading to final day December 7th.
Yeah.
Chirimuye. Ghana 4% team was said the Bay Abia. Yeah, and say, oh, they would be able to be the boy, one watch another more, no Timiantia see.
All right. Medas your mind, Mamentia, Melfane, senior at the same time, and then I mention one. And the entire Ashafon Swadi bread. Said you kind of sir, the NDC as a political party at the through our national chairman, Sembisa Abetoja. Sir, we intend to demonstrate nationwide against the Electoral Commission. Nene nema bi awo ya no enya dwene hu ne sɛ etiamra. Na enya ne bone so, onse mpanimfo se papa nwoma so opaboa no ma ho kwabra. Enya ne mu ne de se bi obenya nam sorry, watch me. Se bi obenya nam keke. Na mmom no se bia yebeyi aboa ne wedie na atimia adra no nya bedi anwe na twene abom na me no de adi asenti ana maboa no man ye fini wedie no so enye ne modesam the ye kan nyina no it's not about the NDC's interest but it's about Ghana's interest. Ye be elections senior the odi MP pen to say elections is not just idea also the question last matter about pay. No, a process be it if you 1 na ko 2 na ko 3 and send you bedu fanat na 5 no. But there was a 1 no a pepe 2 no a pepe 3 no sara ko si enum no so eno so pepe and zebia mo tetema if you say amare fi me amenia Penny Carlos sorry Titles Global now regional minister what the 3 votes pen and a parliament
Abba Maku
yes 3 and not being good in parliament in Virginia. Since we so for 4 years, I go to and so 4 years, 1 term. And internet will say about 2 no. We don't take anything for granted. Every single thing in election is important. Now the NSA can was. Me Sunday what be so better. About 2 process ni be say electoral commission di any money ye title be say we referee. You made the BID about to be an one of my man running it to me na man. So I said, man, nay, the idiot nation. But the money you mun come and I'm so non quite be a man when first walk of 1 more drive. It's here, sir, would the other stakeholders become when only one of the political parties. It's Jenny off from who from one time enter political parties. No, easy office, the office, and I was just district capital. But who every community in this country, MBB or NDC war. It's here your former channel. CPP or all the political parties war. It's here can do new elections, you know, my course, you nim kakra and one award this regional and district office panel. And you who say, and I knew I was so yeah, got to assemblyman for my phone through or when first emra. You will hand a cobra a press conference. And I catch a gun of when I say. Why a crowd?
We
be a what did the so could be a co. The Afran planes I watched that said the trains to trains so the BS could do same baby be a co. Until their channel pa. Ghana for nyara any tree any trader and was up lie near Cotta Banguya Samuel for. Yes, you. Abra. And their team could do 1 man for Cotta. Me no know how that day.
I just
Dear next year, police station you have a lot of papers where yes, most across the country in Yara. There were several electoral areas and I said communities that they have to postpone their elections to a different date. Miami Kromosino. ABC. Osino, your 2 electoral areas. 1 electoral area and Tozoba. Yet to about 2 weeks or so was 3 weeks after. I didn't hear. You see a home boy on that day, no answer. But once now, I can't say why you radio. Fanoto. Who control din? A din trono and your mrat now, dear. And as a mrat, to no open idea be biara. e me na kire kwan so fa so ni biara say me amadi vision no nwotwe a say bi madwene mu da ho say bi tafra che o emu nka me kakra biara no ma me kwan na me ntwom dynamic me more decision making no as who will lead us safo ni din waje obra wuji din ni wi a akwan nya timi ba samia e bia me din wache mo bompe se me mpese me din wo bompe na se bia na me din obosontwe kon na me mpese din ba no bia mpese me rankran se me nya da adwe nko bosontwe a metimi aya de friend say transfer na transfer ni mu no emra ne se me ba wo wanim ade make ID card ne ba na ma be ka kire wo o man me pese me transfer no ade ID card na hwe o verify mu say e me
wo electoral commission
wo electoral officer nchen I'm just using you as an example wo electoral officer na say electoral commission me ba wo nchen se me pese me transfer me vote free police station A e Z na me ba na me nyuma no hura na me ba be ka me da dance ya to say metimi tu oba ne bi e ba which is my ID card ni ama me form na ma fele timi endorse mi bibia awia na me de ma na ma ya set transfer de ko ho enti du bra ye be hwe din tro no a sorry ye be hwe say obi adi obuku mu no a me ba be hwe say ampa say me ka say fa me ko police station Z e kwa ana be ko na wana say da be to oba no me ma abiem ni mo be ko Z ade ne see ye see ye ne say some areas especially Pusiga yen kwoti a ya transfer nkrofobia ense say transfer ye yi wo mudin afripul babi wo wode wo ko ba fufuro nes saafo no so nya nipa wo mo ane ba ye be sere se monyom sa emra no so ankasa sa wa wo trans din na
wa utimi do
pay ne sa e wo se me be wani because ma kire kwan ya fa so ye so it means that these people now transfer wo no there is no evidence backing it i.e. documents am fele ye etie ba ne say na wo utimi trans do pay ye sa ni ma bi sa so wo ye ne sa e kire se e possible mpo se da ba to ban me ko do me politician me ko na me di ni ho na wa do pa transfer me wura me nim se ya transfer me and the ban side the oyun ne ba because imagine obi na ya do so ko to ba no ko di ase wudi nim me so me kai se 2020 ho na be to ba e di na ase 2020 me to ba wa ha na fa me be do 2024 yes me ntimi to ba ade ya me di ni ho it will bring problem, it will bring confusion ti e resi se ni mo we nyinara e bi em de be send wa hwe yi danger ba ko wo ho ni voter register no kwamra wo hwa amra na ma kwan se medin ba mu mpre no eto obi edin wo mba akope wo photo e wo mba ako wo din wo age wo ne police station code se number ne bibia no e wo mu once it's a police se bia voter register na kuta wo no e bia se ye 30 pages a kwabra wo bia 30 pages ni na bo mu o ma he kwabra santi wo mba
the duplication is abamu with what you have told me.
Thank you. But enimani bia ye hu ase ete dem ha yi ne say ya twoma bia gina so wo mantimi wo ma gya twoma se eye no kore e bi ne se wo ba bia voter register ni bi mu no kwabra na e bia ya twose bia book we nipa 30 ne wo mu but 30 ni reality no e bia about 25
because kwabna santimi no wo
emra no so tie se medin beba mu manu mu mpre no so asembisa ne se e ba ne sen na wo yes ade na wonim se sen na mara ne kan sen na adwuma ne se ye kire na wo yes san fom so a emu odu sen.
Okay, so meti e kire na meti electoral commission for the electoral commission for say the essence and the relevance of this ye be mon kohwe is to correct some of these things. Said ye be boa ama yenye the final document.
Okay,
you agree to that that these things should happen. No. And anything you sure say
no.
And anything but bebo
okay.
And anything when your final register.
Okay. So the thing I'm saying no. Adia was some American yes one within the Chumberma. Chumberma maybe been berma no ye e maybe dey eti asem be say am pass within Chumberma we ye BA RI bi so grade no do MA no a on fa agent so maybe dey e so it will be honest do sit on din. So what I say, enti bia medin se bia wunya ne yie ana wa nya ne yie so officer no me kodu ne nchen na wo my ID card no na wo bia book no hu se medin wa ha ewia he will not turn to the next place to go and check say medin sa wo mbiem wonya asase we ne wie within the twimbarima no wa ampa o police station yesin what in 20 ni wa ha bia wo ye ne air correct what take you I wouldn't know that my name has been
another chum share.
No, you will not know. Because he doesn't take the pain to flip every single page with you to check that within every page and I say be with you. No, you know that your name is supposed to appear once.
But at this crucial moment, that is the relevance of Monko Cheke, Namon Shani and correcting. And you have copies of the register, don't you?
So Menko checking your messages in a Meko checking. me kwa na me di ma de ma na ye check ye de hu se me di ni wo mu one ya hwe me di ni spell ni bibia date of birth everything or me age ni bibia is captured correctly it is marked or mark it eho or mark you akwabra wa wie if I be no ponko me de me check it on my phone so you bo short code be now the way you na ahye so ebeba somebody say eba me hu say me di already said but entra will say within any data na capture thrice I capture twice it doesn't tell you. Number two, even where you are there physically, the electoral officer representing the EC
might not detect that.
Will not know or will not
because
be flipping other pages.
Only go through all those pages.
He only check where he can see you.
So the relevance of this exercise, no pair. Your understanding is that Semidino, Asantehene, Aya, if you're normal in E.
Good. So you correct those things.
But say na commission-Asantehene page number 3.
If to never say you be page 5, no. He is done with you. What check you?
But page 8,
page 25. Once we didn't have he would not know. And you can't rectify that with him because who's going to say page 25.
So how do we get that rectified?
So I know that you send him away in the year. And so far, every concern be with the electoral register. We are putting it before the EC. And they have not challenged or denied that the air can hear what.
But what have they said with that?
So now, the woman, for instance, Dr. Bosman Asare, I can't say, Binami didn't hear about
Achana.
Was it?
Achana.
And some people buy here, can you only a press conference being just about 2 weeks ago, so 1 week ago, be so back. And no also or addressing before, and then your kind oh, errors there. It happened every time, you know, say, we be sincere, and not for them. Who cried the Kabukan can't mean Kansao, Abra? We are teaching in church. It imagines some me a first year student, our class, political science. Not my first year, first semester exams, they can say no. May some mistakes which cost me. What for make a trem? Hey, chum, A, B, C, D, why I enter ye. Be careful. Abra, my second semester, I must repeat the same mistakes. My second year, first semester, I must have the same mistakes. Will you accept that it is a normal thing for me to be doing? Thank you. You will not accept it. And you can't tell me, sir, the EC has been making some errors in the past, and that errors in there are normal. We can't accept errors to be normal because in elections, every single 10 counts. Sabra Moody 2020 elections, I'm conflicting figures. Who would you see because you are not supposed to give conflicting figures.
So, oh, someone up. You don't want
lastly, you're true, yeah. No, anybody in here, not your good to do. I'm saying first week, they were giving us update on anyone watching within across the country. And normally, Ghana map and I had design, be a region, be a color, come and no, opposed to be answered the other. And also, quickly, and this year, was some regions have been inflated. You can't imagine Messi me no so what the Cora draw na calculations in tin na man ko wie sa na Cora draw you get mathematics wow so you don't want to give room what she said you don't want to give room for those how things, can we sit down idle and not check these things because elections is about numbers. I've given you an example whereby somebody went to parliament with just 3 votes. So somebody lost that election with that 3 votes.
So the essence of this demonstration,
single thing is important.
The essence of the demonstration is to do what?
It's summary. We want the voter register to be verified or audited.
For instance, can I say?
Yes. Here,
87 days to election.
It doesn't matter. It can be done. It can be done.
I'm going to call 2 months for auditing. I wasn't there.
One country. So was it 2016? Dr. Bawumia, you are the bitch like Ghana for.
Facial
or voter register.
The names.
I know publicity the analysis be not say. What shall commission-Asantehene was a chumpa facial similarities. A woman trust and you register no and papa. And it's MPP then started calling for a new voter register, and that one by a new one. Because there were similar faces. Do you know? Similar. When you're similar, when you duplicate the same name, the same data, the same things, my picture is the same, my DNA is the same, my date of birth is the same, age is the same, everything has been duplicated and quadruplicated.
But with the system in place, are you thinking that commission-Asantehene in the same picture,
Ah.
No, me put a question.
And yet, no one ever what one who dey
you have the experience in this exercise.
It's a very good question. And now Dr. Florida can send you your friend saying bar conference. And Sassy no can me teacher man anytime I remember that word in my mind.
Okay, if it's here. Oh, Obama but twice well Dr. Kwaba. Well, as I said, over the next 10 minutes, Vivian Jill, happy birthday. Abraham Mafia. We share it to Miss she's doing very well. Acting is serious. He should be there. As all happy birthday, Vivian, right?
When him say more fast.
Oh, Vivian.
Oh, mommy a champo man. No fast pa.
Go for some more old man. I be.
And young two bad knobs interest if you are me or a lie. Ana omo so am say omo bi ayi na o ana bi lie. Who free as a honorable Asensubuachi Bantuma MP. Who free never pay fee so a okay 1 2 ana ko bibi angel no fee.
Okay, you better for 2 minutes wrap up.
That be what we
no see.
No 10 minutes.
I got 10 minutes. First be person land here because ta attack say me be cash na. Okay. First
ne tie we nyina ne say na I mean if something was similar ni hu say na nye so there was a need for us to amend or change the whole thing mampa ye be say no I think say we mpo de nka say nsa no ye see ye nhwem na de won bia ye nye o de na de ye bia na ye nyifrim
okay
and be na de ye I think say the call is a good call
okay
and that enye ne bonus ntini ye frɛ
okay
and it's not because we feel say bonni bia da say na mu de ye kan say ye mpase be ye na aka say ye kan ye kan wutie bia nka medu ha intende ye kan ni ensema ye raise no nyinara ye raise ni kwabra nyame adom ye fa hye dem ye de nyina bebu isifo nanim and nyame nchade emu bie nu a oma be kase and isifo boa na nye nokre
okay
ade ba ko pe na me ya wonsem wo nyina se ade e koso ye kasa ma ye nyina o and this mo kan ye ka de ma MVP ye ka de ma CBB ye ka de mo bia ba unu se mo kan bia nkasa
edi why
me then my idea so what is that MVP ba MVP never can say
adi mo ma ngata sit now abe uza
MVP never can say
you see me for me okay but entempa ma menye Vivian me ma happy birthday asempa ma san koje award bi
yes CIMG
oh my idea papa
e was that
about the Saturday we are
when I pick here na how na pick
obi na koje gina because o kasa TM o tete ba so o dim dey o na e busa asem
some e
and then o wa etiro wa shela aboa mi o
eti asempa ya papa so papa when him say your SMP so New Patriotic Party
okay
a wonyina aka won ho abom from former MPs
yes
Ashanti region there baby and
Benaye ana minimum executives no
people's mother
and I almost says
Ashanti region some me free Ashanti
okay
people's mother no me adi nyina regional minister but quick one la hini janzo wo eye kwamra ma hini wo free Cape Coast as party one pursue notice it we are friend like the other so utie ya
ko ya ma to the credit
utie also lawyer the submission ni adi nyina wa ya dia kasa kama chire you be wie na kofa parties for assembly but yes MPP en kasa the ahometi wo ma ya ne se ko mu nyina e ko masem se ne o mu o kan ya nke ha dwene no mu wie no maka se EC be wie mu ama NPP eno ne baby a ahometi tiga se coming can be ba ho kakra no New Patriotic Party with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia LED no ye flag bearer na Dr. Matu Poku Prempeh running it ye nya obi a mo to win these elections in fact lawyer se me no me ni to da me this year na me wa akroma me ensa na me the whole man lawyer me pesa da me na be ka agu mo wo na me chill ro na bia be himunan na aka agum na chese yesi ento no foforo but me a me chi no na bon ban kopim se because we are leading, we are winning the elections enti yem pese bibia be basabasa it is makohwe voter register na musimo hunu bibi wom mo de yi na no problem we say a very very cogent question, very critical. We say that is the essence of the exhibition. And our chair angle be. Or see exhibition no kwa ukohwe within spelling but who me but at the same day, or say ne yakwa we any yehunu.
Oh, say the yen okay, Mate.
Yen kwa we any yehunu. Yakwa we any yehunu no maso aka first. Or say yen political parties, ye stakeholders.
Yeah, major.
Major.
For electoral commission.
Exactly. And the exhibition is not limited to individual member, but political parties who be scrutinizing. And Mama Basu said, my idea, it means a more sophisticated near Niama. That's okay. The electoral commission is the one who in Fabra, Yantinasi, Yemia Bukunu, one by one. Young correct way, auditing. And ye audit, but Nancy, the one who be a war, would they say China class who be was San Faber County? Near Nancy, that way, young for went to her, way you win free, way a bad me dinner by double, yen free, way you dinner by me and son, yen free, way you dinner, yen free, near yan son and ye clean. Now, more would the end say, who be son, or a smart, a lawyer. Or say, yeah, we are calling for auditing, and I will say forensic. So, man, different from Kwesi Manu.
Forensic auditing.
Forensic auditing. Let me throw it back.
Okay, so we are looking for forensic auditing.
Forensic auditing, any auditing to you as a lawyer, so yeah, come on, let me tell you. They make reference. Almost here, Kufuado, Obusa for auditing, and one. Yes. Yebusa for Niama Bibre, and it's on record. Say electoral process, baby, if free, you do it. Obia catch out say, you improve step by step our boy. But anytime, so almost 90% of reforms in a free MPP for her. And it means a year complaints, which is true. Ye complain near can. Na Niamano won't ye near free say a boy bra and name boy bra. We go to court and we get court order to compel easy to do the SOE, mandamus. They know. Now, CCA, easy, Mammy Atiase, yet the name, Unim, lawyer name. Say easy, independent body or any Juma, yes, sir. But under John Mahama, His Excellency, the former president, or my Yatias, ye, papa, the independence of easy. I say, electoral commission, we don't know any Juma, or you're independent or the no. Now you have another president, Nana Dankwe Kufuado. Now no wakokumasi. Or say electoral commission, but what do I say what you man obey never pepe. If you say also what say complaints in the name. And ti on me or that electoral commission. But two on no catch on so on your way, Juma, or show on thing. But meanwhile, we had another former president, Abra or president, or no, there was a more beyond touch electoral commission cry. And can I say if you saw independent? And independent me do. But not ye, lawyer Biemwa. Or say the electoral commission here, a name Rabo Bra, yes, sir, Otietiam Rasso. Now, come on, no tea, say, Bibi, me know ya, dear, Emrano, me Tietiaswa, dear, now we, oh, as all care about me. And so could you have on teams, Debbie, as a cell called Baby Amrawo, the beer de Mraya Juma. Namrano, because now who is so Tietiam Rasso. It wouldn't a bad judge, come a year in court to a dimwa. Now, court to a bizarre say, but I'm for Adena, Utieti Amrasu many tia. Senior, on no jet, and there were some going away who dear my end. Okay, Indeed, honestly. Me meaning say by now. Me no man this for and now your opponent and this for by now. Omanya GDO judicial mupa. So now no judicial cases best me and some latest one see. Omo budget so Ghana judicial yepa. And GDO is one quite so we share forensic audit. Now almost to say electoral commission tietia on far who dear so need. Then is one quan say they proceed to court. Where free consultation. Yes, demonstration me fwaso. Yeah, demonstration yeah. Demonstration here true beer a boaman ye seni pabo e free nebo. In fact, a boaso cram atreach in wumpum. E be cra na training wunye bi. Nti demonstration ba na di akire kobasa abonze wo swete na no so wo de ye training. But ye ha adwene wom. Eni say leadership anhwe ye na afufuro bi a won abo wontiri mu poso mu bedi bone. No mu be pese sabai no begu na nimu asio se wo mu ana epe mu bone ye di o behwe na adane bibi violent. Ye wo bambo adwumakuo wo mem ehye won success so mboban. Omuntimi nyanhwe ha. Am in the name of demonstration na obi nkoye ne ensem fata. Ebi a no man react. In most cases, if you na reaction here over rated a broso, na no so akofa asem foforo. Nti ben de ai lawyer wo kwe ka kire wo mpani for say me ni how be for demonstration. Na omunhwe say e be peaceful. Se ba ya yewura dampare any other security agencies aka wo madwuma so be ye mre. If you say so we demonstration now call peacefully, now ba peacefully. Police nso so ye bo na no mo bo na ba so. Muye adwumadie bi ano mbo na baso kama. But lawyer make last one. Some mistakes na we aba na we say dey be ana yura bossman Dr. Walker. Fine me kasama no menya ne kasama afo asem kra man tibi. But eye no kra so say ye nipa ne ye human institutions ne ade mfidie ne ade na ye adwumen. Die ye be ye bia ye betini anyamfom so nom ne ade ewo. Papers a we anima ye kenkan say wako production line no hwe proofreading ahodo ebe komu ansa na final production na ba beto ye but still cry no said wo hwe mu ha wo so be hu mistake bi sisi ya kwamra hu mistake ya
proofreading na be
lawyers we mistake ube hu say me kokofu na me kase ya kama sem bonzi ya the lawyer chum picture ababeto ana wonu bi sabida wan sheda ye inadvertent na no omukọ election national elections am say lawyer na ni ana wo ku school abuchire na mad
sina de no ya de
mo yam de na
ennam wa
o da bi na student na wa we mi ani ni ayi kwale gasa
yeah
ojina for there
the
general secretary
you could be a chinidin na kwa bi judge bi na say
now about photo next them o mu delegates akoto aba no mu 2000 no mu 2000 o mem ha
but it's not comparable
mu voter register there was
no you can manage it within the party
yes
but it cannot be managed as it's being managed within the party. Let's be careful. Kwamra. Let's be careful. It is not to suggest that electoral commission should also
no I'm talking about 18 million population.
Admission of these things is a BCDA, but consistency. Actually, you don't pay attention to details. That's what they are doing.
I agree. They so they guy ochina omukazo mkoto ababiwa. They say mistakes. You are talking about 18 million people on a register.
Give room to that. 18 million.
276 constituencies.
18 million now we put kotam krado so the calculations. Now
we hear say adwuma na from so kra makra anka which is not possible.
Yeah.
But you can strive to perfection.
It's true.
And I agree with you very, very. In any case, sa nipa na yesusu say you transfer we didn't call guarantee be na also ko beto abama A or B. And won't you exercise this form of person catch yourself when you were in power?
That guarantee is not available because it didn't any picture in a community. That's
the point.
The system is
apart from that, that be no you
and yet to I want to be I'm to elections in we and yet to
lawyer. Who did be fresh?
Lawyer.
Me want slick again.
O ma wi abamu ate. O ma wi abamu ate no. O ma wi abamu ate. Eti o sese o mi ni me nchire kisi gira.
About mu dem mu yom kese. I don't own that.
One about you have to agree. Okay.
Yeah, you clap on tomorrow. No go new one. Different new one.
Camera. Yeah, you patriotic, but one actually about. I a swap of 4 years.
So better was.
Senior.
Oh, that near
unfortunately, much mommy and discuss the idea from one. Lawyer shortage hits legal aid, mommy and Kawas. I mean,